In this video, I'll be demonstrating how our nanosecond and millisecond functions can be used to keep a half a second on, half a second off pulse at different frequencies for our green LED on our 432 board. So here we have our board, and on the bottom right hand corner you can see the board, and in the top left hand corner we can see our different frequencies starting from 1.5 megahertz to 48 megahertz. We're not going to be using 48 megahertz today for obvious reasons. The first thing we're going to do today is show our millisecond function operating at a frequency of 1.5 megahertz. Our target frequency here, 1.5 megahertz, and we want to show that it'll be blinking on and off at a rate of 1 second. So I'm going to load this guy onto the board, and I'm going to run him now. And just for accuracy, I'll be timing him here. So that's about 1 second. We're going to move forward to our next frequency for our millisecond function, which is 3 megahertz. So I'm going to change our target frequency located here to 3 megahertz, and I am going to load him onto the board. Once again, the biggest error here is going to be in my human error when it comes to timing, but all of our timing diagrams are shown on oscilloscope traces in our PDF. So just for further accuracy, here again I'll be timing our 3 megahertz function. And once again, that's under the 5% error, close to 1 second. And now I'm going to be loading our third frequency onto the board, which is 6 megahertz for our millisecond function. All right, now that it is playing on the board, I will time this one as well. Once again, very close to that 1 second mark. All right, now on to the tricky part, the nanosecond function. Here, I am going to change our main to be using the nanosecond function, and then I'm going to change our integer n to our desired value. I'm going to return our target frequency to 1.5 megahertz, and I'm going to load that onto the board. All right, now that it is being displayed on the board, I'm going to once again time it for accuracy. Close to 1 second. I'll time it again to see if I can get a closer reading. Ooh. All right, that 1 second, once again, as I iterated earlier, our timings are shown better on our oscilloscope traces in our PDF document. I'm now going to change to our 3 megahertz value, and I'm going to load that onto the board. All right, and I'll be timing this guy again here. So once again, very close to our 1 second value. Oh gosh. Very close to our 1 second value. Half a second on, half a second off. I'll be moving now to our last frequency, which is 6 megahertz. Loading this onto the board. All right, here we go. And for the last time, my terrible timing skills. And I'll do that again. And there you have it. Just about 1 second again. Thank you for your time.